What is your approach for wine pairing wine with the dishes? Because there are
Yeah, good question, because we have actually a lot. We have 5 different pairings.
okay.
Since I arrived, we like in the past 5 years, we brought a lot of the pairing as a different level, because we used to have only 2 pairing at the time, classic and premium. And then the past 3-4 years, we brought from 2 to 5, but with 5 different philosophy. One is called Tour Around the World. So it's literally traveling from different countries, different grape, different style of wine, and different expression. We have one which is called Great Classic Never Fade. It's mainly driven by Europe appellation, classic appellation, such like Sancerre, Burgundy, Bordeaux, Italy, some sweet wine, literally like a classic appellation and taste. We have the ultimate pairing, where we are taking a different dimension, because it's only based by Grand Cru and top producers. So from a Montrachet to Romanée Conti to Arlan Estate, which is the Lafite from Bordeaux, Chateau Yquem, some really iconic producer. So literally where we actually have people which are really more like a wine lover, really a different dimension of wine, that will be like the one to go. We have a champagne pairing, where we do champagne from all the courses, from the first one to the last one. The last one we do a ratafia, but still based in Champagne. And then lately, since 2 years now, we implement our no-alcoholic cocktail and no-alcoholic wine pairing version, with not much cocktail, but it's mainly like juices, spices, infusion, kombucha. So all done by the sommeliers in a daily basis. And it's really high demand, actually, to be honest. We have a lot of people who still want to eat without much alcohol. So they will sometimes take the pairing, which is no alcoholic pairing, maybe a glass of champagne, a glass of wine, and that will be paired with a dish, because still it's paired with a dish. So you have the kind of understanding of why we choose this to go with the food. The pairing goes really well. So it's more like an experience from that sense. Yeah.
I see. So you have as many wines as the course, as many courses?
Exactly. So we have like something 17 white, 17 red by the glass, 10 champagne, 10 sweet, and 10 45. So we are quite easy to play actually with all those wines, even though that we have this structure of all this pairing, and we try to have this kind of sense of, if you take the tour around the world, the one that you're gonna have, the Great Classic Never Fade, will be on the same philosophy for the ultimate also. Let's take the example that tour around the world, you're gonna have a Viognier grape. From the Great Classic, you're gonna have a Condrieu, which is a Viognier grape. And then after, for the ultimate, you're gonna have an Hermitage Blanc. So they all have their own ID, but they are from a different category and different ID, and a different affordable and different fine wines from that philosophy. Yeah.
I see. So you can, this way you can match each wine for the courses.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.